Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to this unboxing of the Weverse Army membership, the merch pack membership, merch box number 8. I did not have the merch pack membership during last year and I didn't think I was going to get it again until they released the previews of this merch pack, and I immediately signed up for the merch pack membership, as to many others I'm sure. So without further ado, let's get into it. It does come in this nice outbox, as all the merch packs do. Number 8. Sorry if the lighting is a little dark. It's like evening, but I was just so excited to open this, so I couldn't wait for better lighting. So we've got the sticker pack, 2 sheets of gorgeous glossy photo paper stickers. I mean, these are gorgeous. And then got another box. This is the acrylic stand, which I will assemble later for the premium photo stand. So that's the stand for this. But the reason for getting the merch pack membership, this interview photo book. It opens like a book, but the cover is horizontal layout of this photo shoot, which is just, oh my goodness. Okay, this is as best as I can get you in frame. Okay, it has that like exposed binding cover, like that other merch interview merch pack book did. Got map page. Inside are map pages of this absolutely gorgeous photo book, starting with RM's cover page here. And oh my goodness, they did not prepare us for what chapter 2 would be. And I know they have translations of the interviews, so Korean first, and then the English, and then Japanese. And then moving into Jin's cover page. Mixture of black and white, blue and white, like monotone and color photos. And I personally do like matte photo books because, you know, you don't have to worry about getting fingerprints on the photos. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, Kim Seok-jin. My gosh, what happened to our good Confucian boy? And then Korean interview, the English interview, Japanese, and it does open 180 degrees flat. That's really nice. And then Yoongi's cover page. And I believe these interviews are already on the Weverse Magazine website, so you can look them up there. My gosh, this photo shoot is something else. This, along with the Army membership, like the Sweet Life photo shoot that they've dropped recently of like all the members kind of lounging in hotel hallways and stuff. That's the concept they're going for. Sorry, I think I got an emergency text message in the middle of filming, so I don't know where I left off, but here's Yoongi's interview, and then J-Hope. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, again, sorry, emergency texts. I hope I didn't skip anything. Did we see all that is J-Hope here? All that is Hobi. The pages are a little bit stuck together in the middle, but they do come apart. And then interview. Jimin. I think the whole Armyverse was shocked when we saw the photos of Jimin's outfit and his photo shoot. This is just, oh my goodness. 지민이. The light is fading. I'm sorry, I'm gonna quickly flip through. But not too quickly. And then interview. Again, you can check this out on the Weverse Magazine website. Oh my gosh, Tae has in like blue contact lenses. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I am, whoever the like visual coordinator, outfit coordinator, concept coordinator was for this photo shoot, you have all our thanks. And then Jungkook. Also, this morning, we saw like trailers and behind videos of Jungkook's time difference photo book of the like photo folio series that's starting with him, and he's also wearing leopard print there, and his leopard print is like down to his belly button as well there. My gosh. I think Jungkook and J-Hope were the only two to have like colorful pants on. Really interesting mix of patterns. I love this group photo shoot. Oh, it's just so good to see them all together. Again, really sorry for the fading light. And that is it for the photo book. Be sure to flip through yours when you get yours, because I did see on Twitter some people had misprints where like there was like a duplicate of Jin's photographs and they were missing like a sugar cover page, so make sure to check yours. But that's the photo book. These are the glossy stickers. The premium photo, it feels just like you know, like a tour premium photo. And I guess you're supposed to slide the premium photo into this acrylic stand, like into this acrylic case, and then put it on the stand. But I honestly don't think that's necessary. I'm just gonna prop my premium photo on my shelf. I don't really need this acrylic stand, but if you wanted to, you can see, you can slide the premium photo into this acrylic stand. But that was my first merch box unboxing. This is the photo shoot that immediately prompted me to get that merch box membership, and I do not regret it. So look forward to more merch box unboxings and other unboxings on this channel. And stay safe and well, and I will see you next time. Bye. Okay, excuse the horrible lighting, I'm sorry, but I was looking at these instructions and I realized it's just not a stand, it's actually like a light stand. Because there's a place for batteries, AAA batteries. It does not come with batteries, so I had to steal the batteries out of my scale. But let's see. Stick the batteries in, and here's the instructions. Insert the premium photo in the holder, put it into the groove, and then you push the button on, power button on. So I still have the plastic on my premium photo because I don't take off the plastic, but there's a BTS logo on the front. Stick it in the groove. Click. It said to click this. Oh! And can you see the light is on? Let's see if we can see if it looks nice in the dark. Okay, and that's what it looks like with the light on in semi-darkness. I mean, I'm not sure how nice of a illumination it is, but that is a cool feature, I guess. Yeah, it's, I mean, it doesn't really illuminate the photo very well, but maybe you could use it as kind of like a night light and just know those shadowy figures are BTS dressed in Chapter 2 clothes. Alright, that's it. Bye!